Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing great. Today, we will be seeing Let us listen and let us speak. First, we'll be saying Let us listen. Now, I will be reading out a paragraph and you all will be listening to it carefully and then answer the fill ups. I'll start now. Nee explains the rules of association football. Association football, more commonly known as soccer in North America and football pretty much everywhere else in the world, is a game played with two teams of 18 players with 11 players taking the field at any one time. The object of the game is for your team to score more goals than the opposing team. To score a goal, you must put ball into your opponent's goal. For it to count, the whole of the ball must cross the goal line. In football, you are allowed to touch the ball with every part of your body except your arms. The main ways to move the ball is to kick the ball to a teammate, which is known as a pass, or run with the ball whilst controlling it with your feet, known as dribbling. When the ball is in the air, players can head or chest the ball as well. Teams will usually orchestrate passes and dribbles so that the ball travels up the field so that they can score. The defending team will try and stop you by tackling. They can intercept passes, block shots, or try and hit the ball away from you and move the ball in the other direction so that they can score themselves. A defender must be careful here, as if the referee decides that they made contact with the player without touching the ball or made contact without trying to win ball, he can award a foul against them. Fouls are usually led to free kicks, but can also lead to a yellow card, which is a warning, or a red card, where you are sent off the pitch. Two yellow cards equals one red card. The game is played in two halves of 45 minutes for a total playing time of 90 minutes. There is a 15 minutes break at halftime. Unlike most sports, in football, when there is a stoppage in play, the clock does not stop. Instead, a referee will add the amount of time all the stoppages last for, and they will play this as added time at the end of each half. Highest score at the end of 90 minutes plus added time wins. There are ties in football, and if both teams have the same amount of goals at the end of time, this is declared as a draw. Football is a really simple game, and that's basically it. Now that you have listened to this passage, we'll be seeing the fill ups. In North America, football is known as soccer. It is a game with two teams of 18 players each. Fouls usually lead to a free kick. Two yellow cards are equal to one red card. Yellow card is known as warning. Now we'll be saying let us speak. Does anyone know what is a speech? Okay, I will tell you. speech is a formal talk that you give to a group of people. I'll repeat. Speech is a formal talk that you give to a group of people. Let's see the format of speech. The speech is made up of 3 steps. Step 1, connect. Step 2, construct. And step 3, content. I'll read again. Step 1, connect. Step 2, construct. And step 3, content. Now we'll see connect. We have to maintain an eye contact with the audience. Use your hands to express the feeling. Maintain your voice but make sure you are audible. I'll repeat. Maintain an eye contact with the audience. When you are giving a speech, you have to maintain an eye contact with the audience to make sure it is connecting with your audience. Use your hands to express the feelings. When you are giving out a speech to a group of audience, you will have to use your hands to express the feeling while giving a speech. And the third one, you have to maintain your voice. You can modulate your voice and speak, but you will have to make sure that you are loud enough for the audience to hear you. The second step is construct. Here, we have to introduce the topic and then tell your opinion about the topic. Opinion in the sense, tell your idea about the topic. And then give 3 examples. And once again, tell your opinion about the topic. And finish with greetings like, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'll repeat the steps again. Introduce a topic. Tell your opinion about the topic. Give 3 examples. And once again, tell your opinion and finish with greetings. Step 3 is content. Here, you have to choose a topic, prepare to speak about the topic, and you will have to make sure you use both connect and construct in this step. I'll repeat. You have to choose a topic and prepare to speak about the topic, and you will have to make sure to use the points in the step 1 connect and step 2 construct. Thank you, students. We'll meet in the next class.